What are FBP and FBC parameters and how to set them up? To see how the FBP and FBC parameters are sent to Facebook via the API conversions, let's run the server container in preview mode and then the browser container in preview mode. We will perform testing as I showed you in previous videos. After loading the website in the browser container, we can see the page view browser tag triggered, although for the browser event, the FBP and FBC parameters are also set and sent automatically, but we won't be able to see this. Therefore, we switch to the server container preview mode and see the page view event. We open the request details and, using the search on the page by pressing Ctrl+F, we find the FBP parameter and can see that it is present and has a value. The FBP is the user's browser ID, which is automatically set for all users. In the same line, we can see the FBC parameter, but it doesn't have a value because FBC is the click ID from ads in Facebook Meta services, and this parameter is only assigned to users who arrived on your website through an ad. To check the FBP and FBC parameters for a regular browser pixel, you need to use the Meta Pixel Helper browser extension and find these parameters in the request line. In our case, only the FBP parameter will be present because we did not come via an ad.